Today our topic is parallel lines. So our question of the day is, how can I determine if two lines are parallel or find another parallel line to a given line? So parallel lines are lines that never touch. They look like these right here. They kind of remind you of railroad tracks. So they're lines that never ever touch. They're equal distance apart from each other. So our activity today, I'm going to help you set up. We're going to draw some lines that are parallel to these given lines right here. So this is why you needed some colors. So we're going to draw our red line. These are the coordinate points for our red line. This is our x-axis. This is our y-axis. So we're going to plot these coordinate points. -3, 2. We go to the -3 right here. And then up 2. So right there is the point -3, 2. Then we want the point 0, 4. So 0, 4, we don't move anywhere on the x-axis, we just go up 4 on the y-axis. And then 3, 6. So we go over here to 3 on our x-axis and go up 6 right there. Then we want to draw a line that goes through all 3 points. Now if you look, this red line is parallel to line B. If you look, they're equal distance apart. They look the same, they're just in a different location. Now we want to do the same thing to draw our purple line. So for our purple line, we have -5, -1. So we go over to -5, we go down to -1 right there. 5, -5, so we go to the right 5 on our x-axis and go down 5 on our y-axis right there. And 0, -3. So 0, -3 is going to be on the y-axis at -3. Connect those points with a line. Try and make it as straight as possible. Now if we look, we can see that the purple line is parallel to line A. Line A. Lastly, we want to make our green line. So that has the points 1, 3. So we go over 1, up 3. 3, -1, we go over to 3, down to -3. And -1, 9, so we go left to -1 and then up to 9. Connect those points to make your line. And if we look, this green line is parallel to line C. So right here where I have red, purple, and green, I'm going to write next to red, B, because it was parallel to line B. Purple, I'm going to write A because it was parallel to line A. And next to green, I'm going to write C because it was parallel to line C. All right, that's the first page. So then if you flip over, there's going to be some questions that you're going to need to answer about the lines so that you can discover what is special about parallel lines. So first piece I'm going to go over with you. Directions. Using the points or the graph from the front side, write the equation of each line in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So for all 3 colors, red, purple, and green, you're going to write equations. Now I'm going to do the red line with you just to refresh our memory. For our red line, we need m, which is slope, our rise over our run. So if we go to our picture, here's our red line right here. We want rise over run. So if we rise over run from each point, our rise is 2. Run is 3. Here it's the same thing. Rise 2, run 3. So we have rise of 2, run of 3. 2 over 3. Now remember Mr. Slope Guy? we look at our red line, it matches the positive slope. It's going up the mountain. So we can leave this as positive 2/3. Make sure you're careful on this because there are some lines that have a negative slope, so be careful. So our rise over run is 2/3. B, where do we cross the y-axis? If we look at our red line, we find our y-axis, which is right here. Where does our red line cross the y-axis? Right here, and that's at the point 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This right there, that's 4. So we cross our y-axis at 4. So we write out our equation, y equals mx plus b. Our m, 2/3, plus b, which is 4. All right, the purple line and green line are for you to do along with the rest of the sheet. So right now, I would like you to put your Chromebook away because you don't need it anymore. 2, you're going to finish the investigation, what you are doing right now. So that packet that you have in front of you, you're going to finish. You're going to discover what's special about parallel lines. Then when you're done with that, you can come check your work with me and complete your homework. All right. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.